The purpose of this video is to explore a little bit further the concept of coterminal angles. Let's imagine that we have a positive angle. EFH has a measurement of 36 degrees. We learned in previous videos what we can do to get a positive angle that is coterminal to this one. We can say if we went all the way around 360 degrees and then this 36 degrees, we would get 396 degrees. That angle would be coterminal to this one. We get a coterminal angle by adding 360 degrees. We could also have gone around twice, or through 720 degrees. Going around twice, 720 degrees plus that 36 would give us 756 degrees. So for a positive angle, adding multiples of 360 degrees gives us an angle that's coterminal. It's also positive. For a negative angle, we learned in previous videos that this negative 48 degree angle, we can find one that's coterminal to it by subtracting 360 degrees or going around 360 degrees in a negative direction before we go that additional negative 48, giving us an angle measurement of negative 408 degrees. Also, we could have gone around 720 degrees, or 2 revolutions before we came to rest at this terminal side. 720, 48, negative 768 degrees. These are concepts we've already looked at. We're going to see what happens when we have a positive angle and we'd like to have a negative angle that is coterminal to it. We have to imagine that this green segment could be rotated around and come to rest here as well. It would be a negative angle coterminal to this positive angle. This positive angle has a measurement of 52 degrees, and here by adding negative 360 to this measurement we're getting that negative angle which would be coterminal to it. Negative 180, negative 270, and another 38 degrees gives us negative 308. On the other hand, we could have a negative angle, negative 77 degrees. We can imagine a positive angle going in the opposite direction, positive direction, and becoming coterminal with this. The way we figure that out is to say add 360 to this negative angle measurement would give us 284 degrees. Let's see if this looks reasonable. Positive angle would go 90, 180, positive 270, and another 14 degrees to come to rest here. These two angles are coterminal. One is negative, one is positive. Let's take this negative angle just a little bit farther to negative 150, and again imagine a positive angle going 180 degrees and another few degrees to rest at this point. We get that by adding 360 to this negative angle to get 210. Again, 180 degrees and another 30 degrees would give us 210. These are coterminal angles. Just to summarize, you're going to be adding positive 360 to a negative angle to get a positive coterminal angle. If you have this negative angle, EFI, negative 150, you're going to add 360 to get the positive coterminal angle. You're going to add negative 360 to a positive angle to get a negative coterminal angle. If this positive angle is 76 degrees, you're going to be adding negative 360 to it to get a negative coterminal angle. This is what we mean by coterminal angles. If one is positive, you can find a negative coterminal angle. If one is negative, you can find a positive coterminal angle. Please note that if adding 360 to a negative angle doesn't get you a positive angle, you can add 720, and you can add multiples of positive 360 to negative angles until you reach a positive coterminal angle. If you add negative 360 to a positive angle and you still don't have a negative coterminal angle, you can add a multiple of negative 360 Negative 720 should do the trick if negative 360 has not given you a negative angle when added to a positive angle.